Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video again we are going to take a look to a program which is frequently asked in the interview. Like, let's suppose if we have to find the minimum number out of this matrix. Okay, so we have given 3 by 3 matrix and they asked us to find out the minimum number out of this. Let's say, so if you see here, the minimum number is 2, right? Or I can make it 1 as well, let's say. So let's say we wanted to find out the minimum number, that is 1, from this matrix. So how to do this? Okay, we'll quickly do it. It's very simple program. You just have to put 2 loops simply, like for int I equal to 0 first for the row. So how many rows will be there? 3. Okay, and then I'll do one more loop inside it. Okay, int j equal to 0, sorry, j less than again 3, that is column. Okay, and here comes the logic part now. So to find out the minimum, okay, let's first specify what is minimum. Okay, so let's assume we have one value minimum which is the first element in this matrix. Okay, so 0th row, 0th column, this one. Let's suppose this is the smallest one or the minimum one. Okay, the minimum number out of this matrix. If my, you can say this, okay, this matrix value I and j is less than the default minimum value which we have taken as the first element. Okay, if it is less than this, then we need to swap it. Then we will be swapping the value of I and j, okay, with minimum, and that's how it will work. That's it. Once it is done, once the swapping part and everything is done, what you can do, you can simply print minimum. That's it. So let me run it quickly, and if you see, you'll get the minimum number out of this matrix. Okay, there is one more thing. If you see, okay, let me show you via debugger thing so that it will be very clear to everyone. So okay, so if you see here, this is my matrix, right, as I have shown you. Now I'll go to the next statement. This is my minimum number. So minimum number is by default 2, the first position, you can say 0th 0, 0th row, 0th column. Okay, now it will keep on checking. Okay, let's say now here I is 0, j is 0, I and j 0 is like 2, so 2 is less than 2, it's actually equal than 2, right? So it will ignore it, it will come back. Now it will check I 0, j, right, j 1, so I 0, j 1, it will check. Okay, now so I 0, j 1, it will check. So the value of I 0 and j 1 is 4. Okay, second, this one, this is I, this is j. Okay, 4 column, second column basically. So 4 is less than minimum? No, because the minimum is 2, so it will again ignore it. Again it will check for the second. This time j will be 2, if you see here, right? So the value should be 5. See, okay, so 5 is less than 2? No, it will again skip, and this will keep on going. Now the value of I will become 1, so that is 3, right? And j is, again it will be 0. Now so I is 1, j is 0. Okay, so what will be the value? Value will be 3, right? So 3 is less than 2? No, it will again ignore. Now this comes apart. Now here j will be 1 now. I equal to 1, j equal to 1, and if you see this matrix value where I and j is equal to 1 1, it is less than the one which we have taken as a default, like 0 0, that is 2, right? So 1 is less than 2, obviously yes, it will go inside and it will swap the values. So this is how we have written. So swapping is done, and then after this it will print the value. So this is how you can find the minimum value out of the matrix. I hope this program will help you, because this has been asked in one of the interview, I think it in the Cisco interview. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.